Code of Muktze, Chacham Ovadia talks about watches. Watches, Ovadia writes, is not called Muktze, even though a watch, especially today's days watches, has batteries in it. And you say the battery should be Muktze, but the battery is part of a bigger instrument, and that whole instrument is used for something that is permissible, and therefore it is not Muktze. It is true that the Shulchan Aruch wrote that an hourglass that they used to use to measure time in the olden days, they still have it around today, but it's more of a show thing. Hourglasses, says the Shulchan Aruch, is Muktze, and the reason is because they would actually use the hourglass to measure hours. They would measure the sand itself. But a watch doesn't really measure. It's just something that it tells the time, but it doesn't measure sand. It doesn't measure like an hourglass would, and therefore there is no problem of Muktze. Ovadia extends this even to clocks that are on the walls, not just a wristwatch, but even a regular clock that you hang up on the wall, like we have around the Beit HaKnesset, people have in their homes. That is also not Muktze. And the reason is because even though you put it in a specific place and you just leave it there, but nevertheless, the reason why you put it up is for beautification. It's also because of the fact that you are able to visibly see the time where you are in the house. So since that is the case, it is not in the category of Muktze. Although there were some poskim that disagreed with this ruling, Chacham Ovadia held this way, and that is the Halacha Lema'aseh. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen.